It's like a ridge, as you can see. It's like a build-up of like dry skin there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a go. This is one of those foot peel things. I got it from Boots. Not sponsored by Footner either. I mean, I paid for this myself. This cost me 20 quid out of my own money. But I figure I want to give it a go. So I'm going to try it. And it says what I've got to do is use scissors, cut the plastic sock along the indicated line and slip the plastic Footner sock over your feet. Wear for 60 minutes. Then it says after 60 minutes remove the socks and wash your feet with warm water, and then 1 to 7 days after application the hardened dead skin will begin to peel off your feet. So I will keep you updated. It reckons by, I think it's by day 10. By day 10 they should have finished peeling. So I'll keep you updated. I'll do like a sort of daily, have a look at my feet and see how they are peeling, if it's working. So I'm going to give this a go. So I'm just going to get the socks out and put my feet in, and I'll show you what they look like. I thought I'd go show you the size of this. Look how big this is. It's the size of my calf. So yeah, having this on my foot's going to be fun. I'm going to be really like walking around with this baggy thing on for an hour. So yeah, I'm going to cut along the top where it says and then stick my foot in, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. If you've got little feet like me and you want to be able to walk around, just fold the top over and sellotape it, and then it'll stay on your feet. So yeah, I'm going to walk around looking like a loon with bags on my feet for ages. Verdict so far, if you've got any scratches on your feet, it's a bit stingy because I've got like a little tiny scratch on one toe, but it's stinging stop now, so it's a bit stingy. If you've got a scratch or anything on your foot, if not, it's fine. Just feels weird having my feet in squishy bags that feel like they're full of like a liquid and gel, and yeah, so leave this for an hour and I'll show you what they look like. This picture's from day 2 and it shows that my feet are starting to peel. What I did was I soaked my feet for 10 minutes every day because I'd heard off another YouTuber that the best thing to do was to soak your feet, and that helps speed up the peeling process. And make it easier for it to come off. And sure enough, 10 minutes every day and the skin does peel. So that was day 2. And then day 3, I'd got a lot of the stuff had peeled off, but the heel was being a bit more stubborn, and I've continued to peel on and off for a few days now, for about a week. But I found the skin came off my heel and the bottoms of my feet first, so now it's just the tops of my feet that are a little bit flaky. But as you can see, it does work. It peeled off quite well. Don't be naughty like me and peel it though. Just let the skin come off by itself. You'll leave bits of skin around in your socks or on your carpet as you walk around for a few days, but it's better than having sore feet if you pick it off and it's not ready to come away. So yeah, I recommend soaking your feet for 10 minutes every day in warm water. That does help as well. As you can see, it came off in quite decent chunks, and then after day 5 my feet look like this. So the skin is a lot better than it was. It's not perfect, but it's definitely thinned it out. So yeah, totally recommend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.